Hello everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out hidden time to know when the message was sent during chat in iMessage of iPhone. So without further more delay, let's begin. Right now you can see my iPhone smartphone. So firstly, just open the iMessage application and now you will see tons of messages, right? So say let me open one messaging application. So now here you can see tons of conversation messages sent by me and the other person. So you can see here there is no time mentioned when this respective message was received or sent during this chat conversation. So in order to check the hidden time to know when the respective message was received or sent, so what you need to do is just swipe towards the left just like this. So you can see here all the time, as you can see. Now if you release the finger again, now it will just hide it back again. So by using this method you can easily find out hidden time to know when the message was sent during chat in iMessage of iPhone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.